single right here is like a popular spot to capture that right there, Grand Lisboa. So you can see that this is kind of the spot. So we're going to, what we're going to do in this one is we're going to walk towards it, but we're actually going to walk down and then do a little small alley. And I'll describe this area that we're at as well. But that's Grand Lisboa Casino. Straight up that way is Gia Hill. And what we're going to do is go down this way towards Grand Lisboa, and then we're going to go down and then over. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go across like here. Now you can capture the Grand Lisboa. I guess the best one is when you're like right here in the crosswalk. So we're gonna walk down that way, and you can kind of see a lot of people with cameras because they're gonna capture this image as well. It's kind of a cool street. It's called Nova de Guia. But what we're actually going to do is we're actually going to go down. There's another cool street right here. So we're going to go down in one of those alleys. We're going to go in that one, I think. But I also want to capture this because you can see this kind of concave right here like that. So let me just kind of capture it from different angles. So we're going to be walking down, and then we're going to go into one of these little small alleys. And the reason I want to do that is because I want to show the whole context of it. And I believe the one that we're going to go down, I think it's called Rua de Cal. But yeah, right now we're on Colina, and then this is going to be our target street right here, Rua de Cal. It's just like this little alley. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna head on down that way, go in this little alley, Rua de Cal. We got a temple nearby, so that's gonna be our target street right there. Rua de Cal. So by the Colina, that little concave. We're still kind of up on our hill a little bit, and I think we're gonna see some. Well, we got Grand Lisboa still. And then we have a temple right here as well. There's people in there too. Got a little bar right there. You can see the beer sign. And then this next street over, it's funny, it has like Gia Court too. So this isn't too far from Gia Hill. This little street right here has I call it the Macau mid-levels, because Hong Kong has the mid-levels. It takes people up the hill. So this one goes all the way up to São Januário Hospital, and it also goes down like that as well. And then you can see the hospital. I think that's actually, there's an outdoor escalator that goes all the way up, and then you go across to the escalator to the hospital, but it's up that way anyways. There's another elevator at the end of the escalator. So on Rua de Cal, got a bake shop, Friends You Can Keep Bakehouse. It's kind of cool. Huh, this has like stained glass windows right there. Okay. The lights are going down, so Span Cafe, coffee shop. So we're gonna keep on walking down Cal Street. And then this one has all these stairs. And then these stairs have, they're painted, so there's like a shapes of birds, so that when you go up or down. So that's Rua de Cal. So I'll just go down briefly so I can try to get the context to it. But they're taking pictures because at certain angles you can capture all these all the artwork, so you should be able to catch it. So I think you can catch it right there, I think. But anyways, that goes all the way up to that way. We're going to continue down Macau Street, which is this one. Still Grand Lisboa straight ahead. And then we still have this kind of concave, so you go down, like, I think this might be Brandau, I think. But there's a street that goes like that, and it goes up on the other side. But you have to go through kind of a big Rua de Campo street. But Rua de Campo is like in the middle of the two. Have to walk slow, have to move slow because the cameras, at this time it doesn't really take in the lighting very well. Like, it's blurry. So we have another cross street coming up, so we'll highlight all the cross streets as well. So like you can see here, the main thing is people are parking their bikes in this alley. And then we're going to take a look at the next one. So we still have that up and down. So this one we just go down, but then you have the marketplace. I think that's the market and that tall green building. And then I believe we just have one more block left, and then that'll be the end of Rua de Cal. So yeah, another little street in Macau. Better wait. So that's the end of Rua de Cal. We go across here. It's funny, you got all these tall buildings, and you wouldn't know that that has that concave like that, like this, and up the other way because of the tall buildings like that. But anyways, it is what it is. That's Rua de Cal. Oh, you know, we started up here, so I guess we should go up and just kind of give a conclusion. So we basically went down an alley, but we could have, there's like about 6 small little streets, narrow streets like that, and they'll have, some of them have businesses as well like that. So okay, and so we basically started up at that street, and then Cal was down that street. And then now you can see the Grand Lisboa down that way. So, alright, we'll end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.